Hi everybody and welcome back to the Celtic Crocheter. Today we are going to discuss how to keep your tension. Okay, so tension is one of the most important things in crochet to get right. So if your tensioning is too loose, you're going to struggle to catch the bit of yarn that you need to pull over, and then your chains or your stitches are going to look very loose and sloppy and run a chance of coming off of your hook. And if they are too tight, so I'm going to give this a good pull just to show you. So it's very hard to move it on the hook. So you're pulling through and you can see you're fighting with the yarn the whole way, which isn't good either. So to avoid this, bring the yarn to your non-working hand up through your fingers over your pointer finger. And use your little finger here to help keep a little bit of tension, not too much. Let it relax, and then you should be able to have consistent tension throughout your work. It does get easier. Try to keep it consistent throughout every row. It's just a few ways to fix it. So make a few swatches to find your natural tension. Adjust your hook size. So if your stitches are too tight, change your hook size. Maybe go from a 5 up to a 5.5 and see if that helps. If not, maybe try a 6. And if they are too loose, we'll go the other way. So go down to either a 4.5 or a 4 and see if that helps. I said practice makes perfect. And here's another little one. Tension often tightens when you're stressed. So if your yarn's fighting you, take a break. Your perfect tension isn't a rule. It's a rhythm you'll find over time. And until next time, happy crocheting!